In today's YouTube tutorial, we'll learn how to post YouTube videos on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribe. If you're ready, let's do this. There are two ways to sharing your YouTube videos on Facebook. You can use the YouTube app or Studio app. Let's use the YouTube Studio app for this tutorial. Once open to an interface like this, tap on the video you want to share to Facebook. Once opened, tap on the arrow button at the top. You can share to any of the social media platforms displayed there by tapping on it. For this tutorial, we'll copy the link in red circle. Head over to Facebook by opening the app. Make sure you're logged into the right account or profile. Tap on this space which says, "What's on your mind?" Paste the link you copied on YouTube. Feel free to delete the link at this point when the video thumbnail shows. Now, you can add whatever caption you want to the space above the thumbnail as shown. Tap on Post when you're done. And this is how to post your YouTube videos on Facebook. Consider subscribing and liking if it helped you. See you in the next one.